Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Pre Emergent is probably one of the most essential tools in any homeowner's arsenal for maintaining a pristine lawn, acting as a proactive defense against the relentless invasion of weeds before they even have a chance to sprout and establish themselves, thereby saving you countless hours of tedious manual removal and preventing unsightly patches from ruining your curb appeal throughout the growing season. Number 5. Spruce Weed Killer Spray, Snap and Spray Starter Kit. Introducing Spruce Snap and Spray, the easy way to tackle weeds. Get powerful results with a simple, mess-free application. Our worry-free formula is safe for use around your loved ones when used as directed. It effectively treats many weeds with just one bottle. See weeds wilt away quickly. This spray works by dehydrating plants, effectively killing a wide variety of common weeds. Perfect for driveways, gardens, mulch beds, and more. Use it at the first sign of weed growth for the best results. The reusable sprayer with a wand makes application a breeze. Just unlock, spray, and lock when done. No mixing or pouring required. This starter kit includes a 64-ounce bottle and reusable sprayer. Don't forget to stock up on refills for continuous weed control. What we like. This option offers a worry-free formula, safe for use around your loved ones. It provides visible results in just 1 hour, tackling a wide variety of weeds. If you are looking for a quick and safe solution for spot treating weeds in your garden or driveway, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for my lawn. It prevents weeds from growing and keeps my grass looking healthy and green. I have been using this pre-emergent herbicide for years and it has always worked wonders. It's easy to apply and very effective at keeping weeds at bay. I highly recommend this product to anyone looking for a reliable way to control weeds. It's a great value for the price and works as advertised. Number 4. Anderson's Barricade Professional Grade Granular Pre-Emergent Weed Control. Introducing a professional-grade granular pre-emergent weed control solution. It's designed to prevent weeds from growing, ensuring a beautiful lawn. This product effectively prevents a wide range of weeds, including tough ones like crabgrass and henbit. It stops them before they even have a chance to sprout. Formulated with 0.48% Prodiamine, it offers professional-grade weed control. It's ideal for both early spring and fall applications. Featuring patented DG technology, the granules dissolve quickly with watering. This ensures the weed control is delivered directly into the soil for maximum effectiveness. Its small particle size allows for more coverage per square inch. Experience superior performance and a weed-free lawn. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust the quality and reliability of this product for your lawn care needs. What we like. This granular product provides professional-grade pre-emergent weed control, preventing a wide range of grassy and broadleaf weeds. Its patented DG technology ensures rapid dissolution and soil penetration for maximum impact. If you need a large coverage solution for your entire lawn or landscape and want a product designed for superior performance and even distribution, this is the one to consider. What people say. Barricade relies on DG dispersible granular technology. The small brown granules are spread into your grass, then by watering, its particles with the active ingredient are dispersed into the soil and thatch, where weed seeds lurk. The granules spread evenly, and it activates well after watering in. Overall, this is a professional-grade product that delivers consistent results and is absolutely worth the investment if you're serious about lawn care. Pre-emergents are not a one-and-done product. It can take several years to deplete all the weed seeds that are underground. Their DG products give a more complete coverage. Number 3. Quali-Pro Prodiamine 65W Herbicide. Introducing a powerful pre-emergent herbicide designed for season-long control of grassy and broadleaf weeds. It offers flexible application for both spring and fall, ensuring your turf remains pristine. Achieve excellent crabgrass control with this advanced formula. Its pre-emergent action prevents weeds from sprouting, keeping your lawns and landscapes looking their best throughout the year. This herbicide is suitable for a wide range of uses, including nurseries, landscapes, turf, trees, and golf courses. Its versatility makes it an ideal choice for various professional applications. It effectively targets common and troublesome weeds such as annual bluegrass, henbit, knotweed, chickweed, spurge, foxtail, and goosegrass. Rely on it for comprehensive weed defense. This product is an excellent tank mix partner, easily combining with fertilizers and iron solutions. Enhance your existing treatment programs with its compatibility. Get the coverage you need with this 5-pound bottle. It provides a substantial amount of product for effective and long-lasting weed management. What we like. This pre-emergent herbicide offers flexible application for both spring and fall, providing season-long crabgrass control. It's an excellent tank mix partner with fertilizers and iron solutions, making it versatile for various lawn care routines. If you are a professional landscaper or a dedicated homeowner looking for a reliable product that can be integrated with other treatments for comprehensive weed management, this is a strong contender. What people say. Over 20 years using pre-emergent products, and this is the best. Much cheaper than the liquid form and more effective. Spray in January or well before ground temp nears 50 degrees and stop germination before the weeds pop. Works at over 90%, you may see a weed but nothing like you used to see. The instructions are easy to follow, and the product mixes smoothly in my sprayer. I'm applying it this fall and will update after winter, but so far I'm impressed with the quality and packaging. Feels like a professional grade product. This pre-emergent has made a huge difference in my lawn care routine. I put it down before weeds germinate in spring and fall, and it works exactly as advertised. The granules are uniform in size and spread smoothly without clogging my spreader. My neighbor's yard is full of crabgrass while mine has almost none. The main thing to watch is timing. You have to apply when soil temps hit 55 degrees or you'll miss the window. It also needs a good watering or rain within 24 hours to activate. Number 2. Dow's Snapshot 2.5 Tg Granular Herbicide. Introducing Snapshot 2.5 Tg, the granular pre-emergent herbicide that offers superior control over other options available. It provides long-lasting protection against a wide variety of weeds. Enjoy up to 6 to 8 months of effective control. This powerful formula targets 111 different types of broadleaf and grassy weeds, keeping your landscape pristine. Applying it is simple, with a rate of 2.3 to 4.6 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Achieve broad-spectrum control with its advanced active ingredients. For the best results, ensure you apply this product before any rainfall or irrigation occurs. This ensures optimal activation and performance. Its active ingredients, isoxaban and trifluralin, work together to provide comprehensive defense against both weeds and grasses. Keep your areas free from unwanted growth. What we like. This granular pre-emergent herbicide boasts superior control, offering up to 6 to 8 months of prevention for a wide array of weeds. It utilizes dual active ingredients for broad-spectrum effectiveness. If you desire long-lasting protection and want to minimize the frequency of applications, especially in areas prone to a high volume of diverse weed types, this product is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I have used this product for years and it has always worked great. This product is very effective at killing weeds. Number 1. Barricade 4FL Herbicide Concentrate. Stop weeds before they even start. This powerful formula works before germination, preventing unsightly growth. It's designed for a wide variety of areas, keeping your lawn and landscape pristine. Get ahead of weeds with our long-lasting pre-emergent concentrate. A single application can provide season-long prevention when used as directed. Apply it months before germination for effective control throughout the peak season. Achieve targeted weed control that lasts. You can adjust its use based on your growing season needs. It's the perfect solution for ornamentals in containers, fields, and landscapes. This highly effective weed killer targets up to 30 species of weeds. It's ideal for residential turf, production, and landscape ornamentals. Keep your lawn clear of pesky weeds with this comprehensive solution. Prevent weeds from growing and developing right from the root. This formula focuses on stopping pesky grass and weeds with a single application. Remember, it must be applied before the weeds germinate and emerge. What we like. This concentrated herbicide provides long-lasting pre-emergence weed prevention for your lawn and ornamental areas. One application can prevent weeds throughout the season, making it ideal for targeted control. If you are looking for a highly effective, season-long solution to prevent a wide variety of weeds from germinating in your turf, ornamental beds, or nurseries. This concentrate is a powerful option. What people say. Barricade does an excellent job preventing weeds in my warm weather Bermuda lawn in South Texas. I apply the maximum dose twice per year and it prevents probably 90% of the weeds that I would normally have in my yard. Use this as a seasonal pre-emergent on my centipede lawn. The bottle makes mixing ratios easy. The amount of weeds coming through in the fall-winter seasons is reduced extremely. This pre-emergent liquid was applied on patio pavers in the spring. Nothing came up in the cracks all summer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.